Welcome to Marco Island IT Consulting Service, your local solution for all IT consulting needs right here in Marco Island, Florida. Why choose us? We offer professional, reliable, and personalized IT consulting services tailored for both homes and offices, ensuring your tech runs smoothly. Our comprehensive IT solutions cover everything from troubleshooting to system upgrades. We handle it all with expertise and care, so you don't have to worry. Our services are tailored to meet your specific needs. Whether you require home tech support or business IT solutions, we've got you covered. For your convenience, we offer on-site service. We come to your home or office, saving you time and hassle while providing top-notch IT support. Trust the local experts. With years of experience, we are Marco Island's trusted IT consulting professionals, dedicated to solving your tech challenges. Businesses love us. Keep your systems running smoothly with our tailored IT services designed for both small and large businesses. Simplify your tech at home with our personalized IT consulting services. We make managing your home technology easy and stress-free. Call us today for expert IT help. Reach out for fast professional service that you can rely on whenever you need it. Your IT problems solved. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your tech is in good hands. Let's get started. Call 239-421-8187. Visit marcoisland@consultingservice.com today.